Let's write the code to verify timeouts on web page. So first of all, we understand the test case. So open this URLs test at automationpractice.blogspot.com. Then here is the page title like automation testing practice. So we will take this and we use the command wait until uh, page contain this automation testing practice. Then we'll execute this text box. Uh, then we'll enter email. Then we'll select one of the radio button, then checkbox, then this drop down, and then this list box. So last lecture we seen set selenium speed. So by default to each element it will be set as any 5 or 10 seconds. If you set selenium speed 5, then it will be it after 5 seconds it open the open the elements, and then it will be wait for 5 seconds, then next actions will be get performed. So in this lecture, last lecture we saw selenium speed. Here we can see get selenium speed, and we set selenium speed also. So it will be set 3 seconds and apply to each element, and it will be wait up to 3 seconds. But in timeouts your code will be get executed, and if any issue object is not identifiable, then it will be wait up to that set speed. Here we have used wait until page contains this automation testing practice. So it will be wait up to uh, by default it is if we use this wait until page contains, by default 5 seconds it will be wait. But if you set the speed like set selenium timeout 10 seconds 15 seconds, so it will apply to complete page. But this wait until page contains, it will be only for this particular line, by default 5 seconds. But if you set something, it will be applied to your complete code. Set selenium timeout. So each component take 10 seconds if it is not identified or it is not located. So let's understand the code what we write. So first of all, we imported library selenium library. Then in this case we not write any variables, we write test case directly. So give the timeouts test. This is a test name for this particular code. Then use the command open browser, give the URL and open it on Chrome. So it will be open the this URL at Chrome browser, then maximize browser window. Then this line will see later. First upon we will see the page until wait until page contains. So by default it is 5 seconds. We will verify it. We taken this automation testing practice. So go here, copy this automation testing practice, go to there, and here you can paste it. Then we have taken input text box for name and email. Then we are use one radio buttons, click element, then selecting check boxes to. Then from list we using Canada, and from checklist or list boxes we use this blue. So last video we saw how we calculated this xpath and how we located the element, and finally we are closing the browsers. So here currently we'll wait until page contains automation testing practice. So go to command terminal and use the command robot automation / test automation timeouts demo.robot. Click on enter. You can see our test case executing. Our URL is getting open, then it is here automation testing practices, we can see it is maximizing and performing the action quickly, because here it's a basic difference. We can see here set selenium speed and here you can observe the basic difference, like wait until page contains. So it will take 5 seconds. If it is not visible, then it will be uh, get failed. But in this case, before 5 seconds, it is get executed, so because we giving the correct values. So now we'll check in the negative test case, like this is the correct name, right? Wait until page contains this particular value. So we'll make some changes. We'll make automation underscore testing practice to fail this test case, and we'll check the default yes, this default timeout or default times. So go again, click on enter. Here you can say maximizing your browser, opening the browser, then maximizing, and it will be after maximizing it will be wait up to by defaults wait, you can see it will failed. Why failed? We'll see. Test automation testing practice did not appear in 5 seconds. So by default timing is 5 seconds. After 5 seconds it will get failed. So now we have seen if we use those command, it will take 5 seconds by default. So now we will set timeout to this complete page. So we use the command set selenium timeout. You can set anything 10, 20, 50. It will be applied to complete code. So here for this line the timeout is 5 seconds, but we are setting this timeout to 10 seconds, and our test case is still failed because we are failing intentionally. So now go to terminal and click, then URL is opening, then it get maximized. So our this page title is wrong, we get failed. So you can check. Okay, so here is some different error. Apply to complete code that cannot be converted to time delta. Okay, so here this is we need to write after tab. This will be considered as the comments now, because we writing immediately after 10 seconds, so it will be not considered as comment, but now it will be acting as a comment. So now go and try to execute. So it is opening. After open the URLs it get maximized. There is some issue. Oh, it's temporary down. Okay, so here we get timeouts. Test automation practice did not appear in 10 seconds. Why? Because we are giving the wrong data to code. So by default it will 5 seconds, but it will be waited for 10 seconds now, because we make it 10 seconds and it will still fail. Now we will give the correct title, correct value, and we will check out the timeouts, how much time it takes. Before 10 seconds it get executed, but we will check. So now again go to terminal and execute. Here you can see it is opening, browser is opening. the URL is getting maximized. It is verified, and now it is entering texts, email ID, drop down text boxes, and it will get completed. So here time one test gets passed. So here we will check the we set the timeouts, but it is executed before 10 seconds, so it will be not giving you the time. If it takes more time, then it will be get error like it is not visible in 10 seconds, so that's why it is interesting. So this about the all about the set Selenium timeout. So we can set the timeout. So before 10 seconds your code get executed, but after 10 seconds if code is not getting executed, then it will be get failure, or it throws then error. So that about the set Selenium timeout up to 10 seconds or any values, and wait until page contains. It will apply to this only a single lines, and it check for this value as well. So that's it about timeout demo. Yeah, we have seen in this particular code that we check for this automation testing practice and executed our code in seconds, in very short periods. So that's it about today's video.